Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Marion. If you're new, I create beauty, fashion and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. I'm starting this vlog off here. So if you're interested in any fashion, lifestyle, beauty content, please consider subscribing to my channel. Please excuse my voice being so low. My kids are having their dinner and I just don't want to be speaking loudly, so please understand. I hope you can hear me. So yeah, I'm just starting the vlog off now. If you're a returning subscriber, you might have noticed my hair change. I did a weave on myself, and yeah, I actually like how it turned out. I used kinky straight. This is 26 inches. I have 3 bundles of 26, 24 and 20. Hang on, how did I do it? 26, 24, 22 or 26, 24, 20, I think. And I'm actually quite proud of myself. It turned out really well, and I've got a little bit of leave out, but like literally this much leave out. So yeah, I think this is going to be my look for the foreseeable future, because I'm so done with wigs, and like just the thought of having a wig on my head and gluing it down and just maintaining it. I just really wanted something like easy breezy. So we'll see how long I have this for. I'm hoping to have it for at least a month. Fingers crossed. I do tend to change my hair really often, but hopefully I'll be able to keep it for a month. If you're interested in seeing how I did this weave on myself, then let me know and I'll do a video. It was really quick and really simple. I got my bundles from AliExpress and they came in about 5 days actually, which is quite quick. So yeah, I haven't dyed the hair or anything. It's like a natural colour, but I think my leave out blend's okay. I think it's okay, considering I'm not a hairdresser. I think I did okay, and my hair's natural as well, and I think it's laid quite well. So if you're interested in watching how I did this weave, let me know and I'll do a video. So yeah, in other news, today is Tuesday. We're almost halfway through the week. The autumn has really set in. It's actually cold outside now and it's raining and gloomy, so summer is definitely over. Because I thought summer was over, then we had a heat wave, then I thought summer was over again and we had a small heat wave again. But now I think officially winter is coming. So yeah, just preparing for the winter really, and seeing what the winter's going to bring. Hopefully it's going to be a mild winter, although this country is so unpredictable. But we'll see. Anyway, stick around for the video. Hope you enjoy my content. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel. Please hit the like button. Please share the video. And yeah, please drop your comments down below and I'll see you in my next clip. Okay, I just wanted to come back and say I'm so sorry about my eyebrows. I actually didn't realize how overgrown and how unruly my eyebrows look. Like, what is this? I actually tried to brush them up, and yeah, I need to get my eyebrows done. So don't watch my eyebrows. If you're watching and you've got the ick, I'm sorry. I'm gonna fix it in a bit. So yeah. So I'm just going to go for my shower, and I just wanted to show you how I wrap my hair just to prevent my leave out from getting frizzy. Because once I've done my weave, I only straighten it once. I only use heat once. I try to only use it once. Well, I haven't had a weave in a long time, but when I have a U part, I normally straighten my leave out just once a week, just because I don't want it to break off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off, I'm going to put this satin scarf on top of my head. And I'm just gonna tie it. Okay, next I'm gonna take one of these. This is like a disposable shower cap. You can get like a pack of 100 from Shein. That's where I got them from, and I think they were like £2. So I'm gonna just put my hair onto this. It might not fit, but my main concern is my leave out, so as long as that's covered, I'm fine. Okay, then I'm going to take my large bonnet and put the rest of my hair into the bonnet. Lastly, I'm going to use this like normal traditional shower cap. This is from Poundland, and I'm just going to stick that on top and try and tuck in the bonnet as much as I can. It might not fit, but I'll do what I can just to tuck that in. Okay, that's done. So I'm gonna have my shower, and hopefully I'll come back actually and show you whether my hair's frizzed or not, but it should stay in place. So I'll check in with you later. Okay, so I've had my shower, and I'm just gonna take my caps off so you can see if my leave out has frizzed or stayed the same. And there you go. As you can see, there's no frizz. So it's definitely worth trying if you like someone your hair gets very frizzy. If you have got natural hair and you're having your hair in a leave out, then it does seem a bit much, like wrapping it with like a scarf and 2 shower caps, but honestly, I frizz in my hair, so it works. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday and it's about 7 a.m. in the morning, having my first coffee of the day. So I thought I'd just start the vlog here nice and early. Kids are still asleep and it's half term, so I'm gonna let them have lie-in, and I'm just gonna get my day started. So yeah, hope you're enjoying my video so far and stay tuned. So I'm back from my walk and it's dark outside now, so I'm ready to start my evening. I think I'm going to end the vlog here because there's nothing much going on at the moment, and tomorrow will probably be more of the same thing that was today. But I hope you enjoyed what you've watched so far. If you have any comments, please drop them down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Please like the video, please share, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Take care.